Welcome to Sonic Tech, the Self-Learners Club. In this video we'll learn how to turn on and off apps can be configured to start when you log in on Windows 11. First, open Windows 11 settings. From the Apps option, open Startup. Startup apps can be configured to start when you log in. In most cases, apps will start minimized or may only start a background task. You can turn on or off these apps to save your computer hard and memory. You can also turn off or on the startup apps from the Task Manager. Open the Task Manager. Choose Startup. Then enable or disable the startup apps to save your computer memory.